Yo, what's going on, guys? This is me, Mr. Snoopie, here with Mrs Snoopie and Mr. Trippin. Today we're going to be playing White Noise with a Facecam, the first ever Facecam you guys are going to see on YouTube from me and Mrs Snoopie. Yeah. Alright, start. You're playing. She's playing.
What have I do?
You got to find the tape recordings.
What that? For fuck's sake. Oh my god, I like it.
Just follow him. You will see. No.
Where's him?
Right, Dan, you lead the way. Look.
Where's he gone? I don't know where he is. Where is he? Oh my god, I don't know where he's gone.
I'm going to show you where he is. Right, there he is. Look at the controller. This is how you move.
Yeah.
That's how you look around.
Yeah.
This one's turn off the flashlight. That's all you need.
Right, where's he going?
Yeah, just lead the way. She's got the controls now. I won't be able to hear it either. My TV's on low because it's recording set up.
I'm mad scared. You're an arsehole. Can't you just did that? He's just going round in circles.
Bitch. No, he's not. He's looking for the tape recording.
Yeah, but he's just going round in circles.
He's not going round in circles.
He is. Look, that is
Your ass is
stupid.
going round in circles. Don't go around in circles then, Dan. You just mugged me off live on YouTube.
Ha! Come. Where's he gone? Here he is.
No, Dan, please look for the tape recordings. I want to show it White Noise.
I'm mad scared now.
I can't because then the recording gets echoed. Yeah, I think there is one in this little area.
What are these things then?
I don't know. Ask him.
Where's he gone?
Is
There
it?
he is. They're walking into me.
Right, I've forgotten something.
Because you're smart.
Your voice isn't playing. Oh wait, no it is. My bad.
Where's he gone? Stop flashing the light at me.
I thought I turned it off from last time we played Call of Duty. Lead the way. Oh, he's got a message. Oh dear.
Right, where's he gone? Oh my god, where's he gone? Fuck off!
You hit the chair.
Yeah, I know.
Look, turn around, he's there.
Where's there? Found ya. Why can't I see his face though? There it is. Fucking okay.
He said it's behind you.
No, it's not.
It's behind you.
No,
Quick,
it's
move.
Do you know what? You're a cunt.
Thanks, now I'm going to have to censor all this out.
Oh, you do
I'm
that?
going to have to spend like a flipping hour going beep, beep.
You do that?
No, I'm going to have to censor out the swearing. Now that I'm YouTube verified. No, I'm joking, I'm not going to censor this. No, I'm not really going to censor it out. Screw that. But fuck that shit, no way. I'll just put an age restriction on it. You seriously not be able to find this bloody recording thing? Right, do you want me to quickly have a look?
Yeah.
I'm not going to find that recording. Bingo.
Oh, that's very scary, man. Stop it!
That's your turn.
Oh, I don't want to. I'm scared.
Don't look behind you. Look behind you. Look behind you, Sid.
Oh fuck! What the fuck? The fuck is that?
It's White Noise.
Oh my god! Is he gonna kill me?
No. As long as you don't look at it.
But I looked at it.
No, if you look at it for too long, then it sucks like your soul up.
The fuck?
Yeah.
Where is it? Right, he's not there.
Yeah. Fucking hell, look at the chin on that.
I forgot you're still recording. This is boring.
Wait, you need to find more tape recordings. Women.
Oh. Fuck! I didn't even see it. Oh, why's the thing vibrating?
Look to your left.
Stop it, man! How many are there?
No, there's only one.
Does it get closer and closer to you?
Yeah. The more you look at it, the closer it gets. And...
Where is it? Oh, it's there.
She turned around, it was literally behind her.
Where's he going?
Look behind you, Sid.
No!
Look behind you, he's not there now, he goes after a while. Oh.
You're a cunt. You made me die.
Dan? You're on your own, mate. Sydney turned around, it was right behind
You
her.
told me to.
Yeah. Well, guys, that was it. A pretty simple face cam, the first one. Me, Mr. Snoopy, Mrs Snoopie and Mr. Trippin. Mr. Trippin's channel will be in the description below. Be sure to check him out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And peace.